Hello everyone, get ready because this fall Apple is set to unveil its highly anticipated iPhone 16 and 16 Pro models, and there's a lot to talk about. Here's an in-depth look at all the exciting new features and enhancements we can expect to see. Starting with the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, Apple is introducing a stunning new purple color to complement the existing palette of pink, yellow, green, and blue. But it's not just about aesthetics. These models will feature a revolutionary vertical camera layout designed to capture spatial video that can be experienced in full 3D on Apple Vision Pro. Imagine capturing moments that truly come to life. Building on the success of last year's 15 Pro models, the standard iPhone 16 series will now include the convenient Action button. This handy addition allows users to instantly access essential functions like the camera or flashlight with a simple press. Additionally, a new capacitive capture button on the side enhances photo and video capabilities by detecting multiple levels of pressure, ensuring precise focus and control. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 will be powered by the advanced A18 chip, equipped with a more powerful neural engine. This upgrade not only enhances performance but also enables Apple to process generative AI features entirely on the device, ensuring speed and privacy are optimized. Charging speeds will see a significant boost with 20W MagSafe technology, delivering a 33% increase for wireless and a 48% improvement for wired charging. Charging from 0 to 100% in just 39 minutes is now a reality. Display technology gets an upgrade too, with a more efficient OLED panel incorporating improved micro-lens technology. This enhancement promises a brighter display without compromising battery life, ensuring your viewing experience remains top-notch. Despite these advancements, pricing remains competitive, with the iPhone 16 starting at $799 and the 16 Plus at $899. Now let's turn our attention to the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max models. These flagship devices are set to make a statement with a new rose gold color option and a refined titanium finish. The Pro model's glossy titanium frame aims to address previous fingerprint issues, while the Desert Titanium variant offers a fresh take on its classic design. Size matters, and both the 16 Pro and Pro Max will sport larger displays at 6.3 and 6.9 inches respectively, with thinner borders for a more immersive experience. Powering these devices is the A18 Pro chip, manufactured using TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm process, featuring enhanced neural cores to support advanced AI applications seamlessly. Connectivity receives a major upgrade with the inclusion of the Snapdragon X75 5G modem and Wi-Fi 7 chip, promising faster cellular and Wi-Fi speeds. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the camera enhancements, including the addition of the 5x optical zoom telephoto lens previously exclusive to the 15 Pro Max. The introduction of a new 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens ensures superior photo resolution, especially in low-light conditions. The Pro Max takes it a step further with a 12% larger main lens sensor, improving dynamic range and noise control, along with a new super telephoto lens exceeding 300 mm in focal length. Storage options have also been expanded to a maximum capacity of 2 TB, catering to users with extensive media and data needs. Despite these premium upgrades, pricing remains consistent with the iPhone 16 Pro starting at $999 and the Pro Max at $1,199. In conclusion, Apple's iPhone 16 series promises not just innovation, but also a refined user experience across the board. Stay tuned as we eagerly anticipate the official unveiling this fall. This is Montage Tech, bringing you the latest in technology.